Hello, good afternoon. I am Sau Shinde from RBNB College, Srirampur. Now today's biology lecture on the basis of NEET and CET. The topic number 3, the chapter or unit number 3, inheritance and variation. Now in this topic we will discuss the MCQ. They are important for NEET and CET. Okay, already this topic are studied in theory, and first of all the meaning of in the chapters inheritance and variation. The first term, inheritance. Inheritance means the transmission of characters or transmission of trait from one generation to next generation. It is called inheritance. Now the inheritance, these terms are included in the genetics. The genetics, this is a very important branch of biology and which is studied under the heredity and variation. The genetics is very broad terms, or it is a very important branch of biology and which is study the heredity and variation. The heredity means, the first of all discuss the heredity. Heredity means the transmission of characters or transmission of genetic information from one generation to the next generation. It is called heredity. And next term, it is a variation. The variation means the differences. Variation means differences among different kind of organism. It is called variation. Variation means these offspring will produce, it is different from their parents to offspring. Differences between parents to offspring. It is called variation. This genetics is included under heredity and variation. This one of the important terms, like begets likes. Like begets likes means this organism is reproduces with the help of reproduction process, and this offspring or these organisms, this like begets likes means this individual or offspring is similar to their parents. Offspring is similar to their parents and it is called like begets likes. For example, the mango seeds will develop mango tree, and also human beings to human beings means like begets likes. This individual or organism, it is similar or it is identical to their parents. In these chapters, inheritance and variation, it is includes the terms Mendelian inheritance. The scientist Mendel studied the inheritance patterns or the term inheritance, and this scientist Gregor John Mendel, he was father of genetics and it is studied the inheritance. The scientist Mendel studied the garden pea plants and studied the living organisms. These living organisms, they are reproduces sexually and asexually. Mendelian inheritance. This living organism, they are reproduces asexually and sexually. The reproduction process, there are two types of the reproduction processes, asexual and sexual reproduction. The asexual reproduction means these organism it is produce, it is similar to their parents. It is exactly identical to their parents and it is produce clones, similar, copy, identical copies is produced in the asexually reproducing organism. But in sexual reproduction, this individual, it is a dissimilar. Individual or his offspring will be produced, it is a different to their parents, means variation is occurring in the sexually reproducing organisms. But asexual reproduction, there is no variation. Evolutionary chances is not occurring in the asexual reproduction. But in sexual reproduction, sexually reproducing organisms, they are different from their parents. It is takes place the variation, means the variation terms like the differences among different kind of organisms. Some organisms are asexually reproduces and some are sexually reproduces. For example, one question may be asked in this topic, sexual reproduction. The first one question, now look here, the question is, individual produced through sexual reproduction are called ... These individuals are produced through sexual reproduction and this individual, it is known as offspring. Sexually reproducing organism or this individual is produced in sexual reproduction, this individual, it is called offspring. It is known as offspring. Only sexually reproducing organism, it is called offspring, but asexual reproducing organism, it is not called offspring. The sexually reproducing organism, they are known as a offspring because it is a variation is occurring in this organism and this sexually reproducing organism, it is called the offspring. This is an important question may be asked in NEET CET examination. Next term, the Mendel studied 7 pair of contrasting characters. But in this character, the 7 pair of contrasting characters studied the dominating and recessive characters in garden pea plants. Mendel has studied or select the garden pea plants for his experiments and the hybridization techniques is used for this experiment. First one studied these garden pea plants. Mendel studied these garden pea plants for hybridization techniques. The example for this experimental material is garden pea plant. Garden pea. The botanical name of garden pea plant is Pisum sativum. This is the botanical name of garden pea plants, and this important selection material or Mendel studied the experiments on garden pea plants, and these garden pea plants, it is called Pisum sativum. This Pisum sativum, the garden pea plants is used for his experiments because in garden pea plants having various characters. There are several characters are present in garden pea plants, and that's why this pea plant was selected for these experiments. The first one important character of this garden pea plant, it is annual plants. It is annual plants. The lifespan of these plants in 1 year, and there are about 2 to 3 generations is occurring in 1 year, and that's why garden pea plants is selected for these experiments. This pea plant, it is a herb plants, it is a herbaceous nature, herbaceous plant. It is a very short plants, and this plant is grow in garden. It is annual plants, herbaceous plants. Lifespan is very short, and in 1 year, 2 to 4, this means lifespan, or these garden pea plants is select for this experiment. The 2 to 3 generation is occurring within 1 year, and that's why this plant is selected for this experiment. Next, important characters. This plant, it is easy to handle and cultivation. This plant is very easily handled, and the large flower is produced, but this flower is a bisexual. Flower is bisexual. Means these two sex organs like the androecium and gynoecium is present in these flowers, and this flower is very important for artificial cross pollination. This garden pea plants is used. This is a bisexual flowers. It's very important characteristics of garden pea plants, and it is a artificial pollination. This artificial cross pollination. Artificial cross pollination. Artificial cross pollination is occurring in this bisexual flower because there are hybridization method is used. These three method of hybridization like emasculation, bagging and tagging is used for this artificial crossing. Artificial crossing use these pea plants because this pea plant, it is a bisexual. The emasculation method, emasculation is done for this flower. Emasculation means it is a removal of anthers before anthesis, or removal of stamens before anthesis. This emasculation is occurring. It is done in artificial pollination. Artificial hybridization techniques is used in garden pea plants, and that's why I select these pea plants because artificial pollination is occurring. It is easily handles these plants, and also this plant, next one characters, it is a self-pollinating plant. Self-pollination is occurring in this plant. Self-pollinating. It is a self-pollination. What is meant by self-pollination? Self-pollination means transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma of same flower. It is called self-pollination. And cross-pollination means the transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma of different flowers, and this process it is called the cross-pollination. These garden pea plants naturally self-pollinating, but artificial crossing is also done in these plants, and that's why I select these garden pea plants. Next one important characters of these plants, they having the many contrasting characters. Plants having many contrasting characters. These garden pea plants having many contrasting characters. Contrasting characters. These garden pea plants having many pair of contrasting characters, and that's why these garden pea plants was select for his experiments. Mendel studied the garden pea plants having several pair of contrasting characters are seen. The question may be asked in these pea plants. The number in the garden pea plants, the question is the n numbers of chromosome in garden pea plants. What is the chromosome number in garden pea? The garden pea plants having 7 chromosome numbers. N number of chromosomes is 7. It is 7 number of chromosome is present in garden pea plants.